We're at the airport. We're off on another adventure. Finally made it to Jacksonville. The flight was about 5 hours. Local time now is 11, which kind of concerns me because I'm not even tired and I should get to bed. I think Seattle time right now is 8 o'clock and I have to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, which is 3 o'clock Seattle time. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. Holy humidity. So good. White sandy beaches. I got my Starbucks. So this is St. Augustine Beach. It's gorgeous here. There's a really strong rip current, and so on the news they were warning locals not to go in the water because it's extremely strong right now. Needless to say, I won't be going swimming today. No shark fishing. If you want to walk on the pier here, they charge you $1 whole. Luckily, I had $1 single bill. Right now, even though there is a riptide advisory. I do think it was $1 well spent. I'm quite happy that I did that. So my plan now is to go into town, grab a bite to eat, and then shoot a little bit of the city life, see what's happening there, and then we'll go from there. Sound good? Good. Going to get nummy gator tail. Sit and dust off your feet. One thing I can't stand is putting shoes on when my feet are sandy. No fun. I think I'm probably getting out of here in just the right time because look at these clouds behind me. Those look like clouds that are gonna do bad things to me. So look left and right before crossing. I get to grab one of these and cross. And hopefully people actually see that I'm holding this. Stop, stop. I think it worked. I think we made it safe. Safely across the street, and then put it right there.
All right, everyone, that concludes the first part of the St. Augustine, Florida vlog. If you'd like to continue along with me and see the rest of my trip, stay tuned by subscribing. Also, don't forget to like this video and go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know that you understand that the humidity struggle is real when it comes to hair issues in Florida. I can also be found on all social media at Steph Taylor Live. Thanks so much for watching and don't miss the next part of the trip. See you soon.
I've decided to give up on the whole hair thing this whole trip. It's like, won't be donning the bikini today, and